Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So first we will look into the key partners. Our company's key partners are the people who can help us develop a better and more profitable business model. They also can keep or help us to expand our reach and also provide their services at the same time. Next, we will look to the production supplier. A supplier is a person or entity that provides a good and services to another business. This business entity is usually part of the organization's supply chain. Otherwise, one of the suppliers that we relied on is Banseng Huayi Wholesale, which is located in Kota Baru, Kelantan, as we can see from the picture at the slides. Aside from various sweets, they also have wide variety of products such as chocolate bars, candies, and other products. Apart from that, we can easily order these products and get them delivered to our company as well. As a startup company, we are very satisfied with their products and services as well that we receive from our supplier. Plus, they have a reasonable price and their product also in a good quality. Next, we will look at the second one, which is packaging. A packaging system is a process utilized for storing and transporting goods. It involves the preparation of various items such as boxes, bags, and containers. Not only that, aside from standard packaging, we also offer a wide range of customized solutions for our respective customer. These include with the design and development of door gift packaging for special occasions.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Zuhandi binti Zamahuri. My matric number H2OA1423. My part is key resources and key activities. Key activities are important tasks that your company must complete in order to deliver your value propositions to customers. In terms of problem solving, we provide customer service to streamline product management and any bookings. Thus, we offer a wide range. Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Zuhandi binti Zamahuri. My matric number H2OA1423. My part is key resources and key activities. Key activities are important tasks that your company must complete in order to deliver your value propositions to customers. In terms of problem solving, we provide customer service to streamline product management and any bookings. Thus, we offer a wide range of candy brands and flavors to choose from for customers. This will make it easier to customers to make choice according their taste. We also ensure production operations and services are the best. If you like to deliver a gift directly to a loved one's door, we can help. More interestingly, we also accept booking for any wedding event as door gift, birthday party, family day, and more. For some areas, we also provide cash on delivery, and delivery by mail is also available for Peninsular Malaysia, Sabah, and Sarawak.
Assalamualaikum and have a good day. My name is Nur Azim Hafifi bin Januddin. My message number H20A167 and my part is value proposition. For the value propositions is to apply an entrepreneurship to show up their new product to make sure the people or the customer in physical or online to buy or to purchase their product. Next, the design has been shown to the branding to simplify with our product to make sure it looks like more simplify and uniqueness to show up to the customer. This is because our product is based on candy. So candy we really like to make sure the design is really simple and also suitable for all community. Next part is our product has been set to suitable to all type of ages. This means the quantity or the ingredient of the sugar that we have been choose to make our product designation and also the ingredient of the foods is going to healthy and also not give any health issue to our customer. Okay, lastly, the price also affordable and not too expensive. This is because our product has set to guarantee and also
Okay, this is the part of customer relationship. In business, we must maintain a relationship with customer so that it's easy to interact and decide each other needs. For customer relations, we always promote our product on all social media. For example, is Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Tele, and many more. We take great care of our customer in order to respond the quality and quantity as our product. The reception of the product is very good and has a good response from our customers. We can detect customers complain with the portal complaint. Next, customer relationship are also necessary to increase sales of this product. And the last, such customer are very appreciate and satisfied with the product sold by us. For the channel we provided is social media like which is Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram. And we also have an online shop, website, and the biggest partner is a supermarket. And the last channel is direct customer, which is it's easy to connect with our customer to buy the product.
Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Nur Shafika Ina binti Shariza. My matric number is HT2A1572. For my part, which is customer segments, there are 4 main customer segments. The first one is primary child and the young population. They are one of our main targets because nowadays we know that children and young people really fond to sweets. Next is supermarkets or hypermarkets, convenience stores, and grocery stores. We set this industry as our main target place because as we see now in any supermarkets or stores, they will sell all kinds of sweets and candies. Last but not least is online or online shopping. As we all know, due to endemic season of COVID-19, online shopping has become their major platform to buy their goods and needs. Because of that, we will expanding our candy business through online shopping such as Shopee, Lazada, and many more.
I will explain about the cost structure. Cost structure is the cost that involved in a business, like cost of shipping. It is involved when we want to deliver our product to the customer. Other than that, cost of candy and chocolate are involved because we buy different type of candy and chocolate to use in our product. Next is the cost of packaging. The cost of packaging is required to buy the triangle plastic bag for our packaging. We also have cost of design to create product logo. Finally, we have the cost of advertisement. The cost of advertisement also involved to promote our product to the community.
Next, revenue stream. Revenue stream is source of money for a corporation or organization. In our business, there are 2 types of revenue stream that we use. First, transaction based on revenue stream, and second one is service revenue. Transaction-based revenue was a transaction from a customer and sale of goods that are predictable. Our customer can visit our agent in certain location, purchase candy and chocolate and buy at the same time. At the time, we don't use credit card. Next, service revenue. The income strategy involved company or employee time. Cash on delivery was provided in our business. For each purchase of 5 packets of candy or chocolate, we will charge RM1 only per delivery. And it will available to students and staff at University Malaysia Kelantan. Thank you.